Hey, meal preppers. Paul coming at you here this Thursday. I got Amy behind the camera, and Amy actually suggested a lot of these meals.
Yep.
So I told her to just take over the whole thing because I did last week, and I heard a little bit about it. I think we're just tired of salmon for a while.
Yep.
We've had that for a while. Cod, though, we might explore that. The halibut looked really good last week.
Yeah.
So. Did you have something else to add?
I was just going to say, I told Paul I needed tried and true recipes I know that I've had before and that I knew that I'd be looking forward to, because I've got a week with a lot of new things going on this week, and just wanted to be sure my meals were zero stress. That I was just like, oh, I'm so excited about this lunch, and I wouldn't think twice about it. So
I even mentioned that last week. I don't know if you watched the video last week because I knew you were busy. But I did mention that you got a new job as a professor now, teaching in her field, which is phenomenal. That's been her dream job for a while. It's been her dream job, so congratulations.
Thank you.
Guys, we got 3, tried and true dishes. I'm going to start over here. We'll start with this one because you can make this one as gluttonous or as not gluttonous as you want. It is a roasted red pepper and sausage pasta. So we've got obviously some roasted red pepper and sausage that we cook in here. We put pork sausage in there. You
Italian
could
sausage.
Italian, but you can change it up to chicken. You can change it up to beef. You don't have to use sausage, but and it's also got goat cheese in it. Of course, we varied the goat cheese. Goat cheese really isn't too bad. An ounce is about 6 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat. So we used half the package, and it was still great. It was still great. It called for the whole package, which is what, 8 ounces?
4 ounces.
4 ounces. But we used half that package along with some Parmesan cheese, and it came out phenomenal. It's got spinach in there, 5 ounces of spinach, which doesn't look like it.
I see 5 leaves.
And then we steamed some broccoli to get a little veggie with it. It actually made these portions plus a little portion for our daughter. So she wants to give it a shot, she can.
I think this pasta, we don't make it a lot because it is a little bit high in fat, but like Paul said, you can make it as healthy or as not healthy as you want by varying the ingredients or reducing the amounts of the higher fat ingredients. And for those of you who don't like goat cheese, just try this. It doesn't taste, it just makes it super creamy. It doesn't taste like goat cheese per se. But oh my God, this pasta is so good. I cannot wait to eat it. And the broccoli. Okay.
Low stress, yes. I love broccoli. Over here, we have got some zucchini and turkey patties. We did add a little spice to it, some cayenne, so you can do that as well. And then easy, just roasted green beans and some small potatoes. These potatoes, actually, I posted it on Sunday. It has everything but the bagel seasoning on there. So if you've never heard of that, give it a shot. It's actually quite good. We use it just on our bagels with cream cheese.
The HEB version, bagel not included.
Yes.
I'm sure
bagel
Walmart
not
has
included.
its own crazy.
We used to get it at Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
But it's a little less expensive at HEB.
Yep.
For all our HEB fans, but what? So that's over there. But you got your veggies and your turkey there.
Yep.
It's
Zucchini.
loaded with zucchini. It's got 2 zucchinis, pretty good size in those patties.
Sweet.
And then over here, we got kind of like a taco bar. A bento box here with some protein and some healthy fats. We've got chicken and eggs, so you got some protein there. We got some cheeses for a little bit of fat. And then we've got cucumber, carrots, some of these little peppers, and tomatoes.
All kinds of goodness.
And with the little cheese cubes.
It's like we're toddlers.
Exactly. This is actually, you don't have to heat this up. You can just pull it right out of the refrigerator. Let it come to room temperature if you like, or if you want to just zap it for a couple of seconds.
And I anticipate eating at my desk a couple of days this week, so that's super handy.
So Amy's going to put a little bit of dressing in here, and again, you can add any kind of dressing you like. She likes the poppy seed dressing, right? Are you going to use
I do like poppy
Caesar?
seed. I'll probably use Caesar or ranch with this,
Ranch,
but
so.
you could put hummus in there.
True.
Whatever, or nothing. But
nothing.
I'll
Just
probably
eat
dress
like
my
that.
veggies.
Yep. So all around great, and we do have beautiful colors this week, especially this one. Nice
Yes, colorful.
And then coming over here, Amy again wants a little stress-free breakfast.
Yep,
We got boiled eggs. You can always make boiled eggs, guys. While you're cooking this stuff, throw a bunch of eggs in the pot and let them boil. But she has got overnight oats, so I'll let her talk about how you stack this up.
So this particular recipe is hand-rolled oats, non-fat Greek yogurt, almond milk, chia seeds, and I use a banana. And you mix these in the secret quantities. I like this recipe because everything is in 1/3 cup increments, so I can just use one measuring cup for the whole thing, and it fits right into the mouth of that wide mouth mason jar, the short fat mason jars, so it's easier not to make a mess. And you just stir it all up and let it sit overnight, and in the morning I have some French vanilla granola with almonds and some dried cranberries, and when I'm ready to eat it, I just dump that on there, stir it in. Easy. I usually make 2 portions of this, and you'll want to eat it all within 2 to 3 days. So like tomorrow morning and Tuesday, or today's Sunday for me, or tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning, and I'll have them done. And I'll eat the eggs with some toast on another day.
And of course, you can do this with raspberries, strawberries, any kind of fruit.
Peanut butter, there's all different kinds of recipes.
You can throw a scoop of protein powder in there, which a lot of people do. That's what I do for my clients.
Whatever flavors. I have vanilla and cinnamon in there. So make it your own. There's all kinds of overnight oat recipes on the internet or Pinterest, whatever. This is just the one I've been using for a few years, and I like it. So
all around.
I think that's it, dude.
All right, dude.
But all that.
Guys, let us know what you think of these dishes. Again, let us know what you think of the app. We're making a bunch of changes here soon, and feel free to share with everybody you know. All right, guys. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.